Long hair across the room, baby, she got that glow. I know you see me over here, so dance on me real slow. We've been going for about 2 hours, and I don't even know your name. So baby, please reveal. Your friends are calling you, baby, stay with me instead. I know you're saying that you're tired, there's a little dance in your lip. Even if I go, I still think of you in my bed. Of a good time we had. The scent of your perfume has got me lost in the haze, and all this moment depends on the records that the DJ plays. Baby,
Taylor was a happy baby, always smiling and always adapting. She had the tough position of being the youngest child for the first 5 years of her life, and then the oldest for the next 24. It wasn't easy for her, I'm sure, as our energies were directed at corralling her older brothers, but she was always understanding and patient. Taylor helped us to recognize we could trust her, and we became better parents for it.
Taylor has always been super smart, intuitive, and a problem solver. In junior high, she made arrangements to buy Diesel, our first dog, from a breeder in Pennsylvania without our knowledge. She applied to the University of Iowa as an education major, then came home to tell us she finagled her way into the School of Engineering. She worked day and night towards that degree, and she made us all so very proud. She is a voice of wisdom and reason, my personal sounding board, and I'm so thankful for the rock that she is.
Joey, my Zaza. Not enough time or words could say all the wonderful things about you. We could not be more proud of you. We always knew your potential, and anyone that meets you told me so. Started in kindergarten. His kindergarten teacher at his first conference said, "I want to meet Joey as an adult. He is going to go beyond the stars," and you have done that and continue to do so. Whenever you set a goal, Joe, in sports, school, job, life, you surpass it with every expectation. You always push yourself. As a child, you were like a sponge. You soaked in everything. Constantly asked questions, wanting to know more. Why?
So my dad put that pressure on me to carry on the Barsanti name. And I think I did a pretty good job of doing that. The pressure is now on you to carry on the Barsanti name. Although after raising 4 boys, I would really love a granddaughter.
Me too.
Throughout all the years, I have seen Taylor grow into one of the most dedicated and thoughtful people you'll ever meet. She has an innate ability to sense when someone is in need and extends her support without hesitation. Whether it's surprising me with a thoughtful gift when I came down with COVID, both times, or being there when I need to talk, Taylor has a way of making everyone around her feel loved and valued. And now, as I look at her today, radiating joy and love alongside Joe, I couldn't be happier for her. Joe, it has been a pleasure getting to know you over the past few years. Taylor has found her perfect match. Someone who appreciates her kindness, understands her goals, loves her unconditionally, and most of all, is a great cook.
Without question, my brother is one of one. And it's clear that not only can he endure new beginnings and take them in stride, but at his core, he is driven, responsible, reliable, but most importantly, family-oriented. Joe is a role model, and I'm not just speaking on behalf of myself and our younger brothers. but on behalf of everybody who's had the privilege to be around him over the years. And I know this marriage is a match made in heaven because I can see all of these same traits in Taylor. I think it's safe to say that our newlyweds are like two peas in a pod, or in this particular case, two identical Ford Broncos in a garage.
You slip your finger through the tear in my t-shirt. You're stirring up dirty in the back of my mind. You keep on flirting, 'cause you know that it's working. You're stuck in my head, girl, riding the lines. Couldn't sing a song without you if I tried. Let's light it up like it's our last night. We're just hanging around, burning it down, sipping on some cold Jack Daniels, jamming to some old Alabama with you, baby, laying right here, naked in my bed. I'm just doing my thing. You love it when I sing, saying makes you feel like an angel. We about to get a little tangled up right about now. So girl, let's keep burning it down, burning it down, burning it down. Girl, when you want it, you know that I'm on it. You know that I love loving upon you. Let's hit the switch and let our shadows dance, and light it up like it's our last chance.